So this is a desert rose. Yeah, I got it from a friend, and I got I think two cuttings, and I planted them in this soil, which is the compost. I mixed it with a bit of sand, but I don't know what happened, because maybe it was not draining too well, because after some times I've just found that it's rotten. This is how I learned that the rose is rotten. First sign, you press and it's all spongy, right? It's all spongy. Okay, if you look at the one that is not rotten, it's firm. I can't press. Okay, it's not going in. When you cut, the inner part has a dark ring, the middle section right there. Yeah, it's dark. That tells you it's already on its way out. So cut a little bit up until you see the inner part is green. Green means it's alive. So that's the section now that you can use. I've had to chop. I've lost all this. It's very sad. The desert rose is the official Kenyan flower. So I was so excited when I got a piece of it. So I've decided to go to plan B, which is mix sand with less soil, and then put very little water, if any. Right now I won't put any water. I'll try and allow it to absorb what is already in there, because I can feel the sand is damp. It is not wet, it is not dry, it's in between. So I'll let it stay that way for a while. I am sure it will start asking for water. The seed, are they seedlings? The cuttings. The cuttings will start becoming a bit floppy. So that's what I shall use. That will be my cue that I need to add a bit of water. If I cross my fingers that they will grow. If not so, I'll knock on my friend again. Hello. And then pray for more cuttings. But I'm trying. If there's anyone there who knows how to plant a desert rose, chat with me, talk to me, let me know what and where I am going wrong. And we hope we can help everyone in Kenya to have a desert rose in their garden.